Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you what we got on eBay. Okay guys, just for $12 we got those chrome handle covers for Mercedes W163. We're going to see what it's going to look like. We're planning on putting a grill guard, running boards and a chrome grill guard as well. Okay, and those are only $12, guys. Let's see, it's supposed to have the good double-sided tape by 3M. So in order to install those, what you need to do, you need to make sure that your door handles are not greasy, so you need to use alcohol. Any kind of alcohol will work. Just apply it on the door handle, that way it will not be greasy, because if it's greasy or there is wax or dust, it will not stick to it, and if it doesn't stick, it's going to come off while you're driving and you're gonna lose them, guys. Alright guys, after that you need to make sure that they dry, so they're not wet from the alcohol, and here they are, all the covers for the door handles, pretty shiny. We used them on another ML in the past, but we paid quite a bit for those, and we want to see if the $12 one will do the trick. So you need to press the tape good, and then you need to peel that red film on top of it. Sometimes it's tricky, but you start and you just peel it, and don't touch the tape now with your fingers, because it will not stick to the door handle. And now you need to just center it and apply it on top of the door handle. Okay, and you need to make sure you press it good, really good. Press in the middle of the door handle where the double-sided tape is, just like that. Okay, now we need to get the little piece right here, the one with the keyhole. Okay guys, and this is the little cover for the keyhole right there. And again, just make sure it aligns good, it's right in the center, and just press it in. And if you do that when the temperature is nice and warm outside, sunshine, it will stick better than if it's cold. If it's cold, they might not stick good. So make sure that it's at least 60 to 65 degrees before you apply them. And now on the back handle, the same thing. The rest of the three handles, they're the same, just the driver's side is different. Okay, and make sure that it sticks good. And now the little cover. Okay guys, and this is the finished result. Pretty shiny, pretty good looking for just $12. Let us know what you think. We'll have more videos about that W163 and how to install grill guard and running boards as well. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.